In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to give parts of your web page a class. By having a class, these parts of the web page can then be controlled by the external style sheet. Okay, so this will be able to control them once these parts have been given a class. They're then under its control. If they don't have a class, they won't be under its control. That's the way it works. So the things that are going to need a class are going to be the page bodies for each page. So this bit here, and that's the background. And if we can select the body on each page, and then the main table, which is, you've got the main table, then you've got a table inside of it. All right, so and if you have the nav bar, you've got one table inside another table inside another table. That's the way it works. We're going to do the main table and then the body. So the body is going to be given a class. All we need to do there is right click on it and advanced properties, and the attribute drop down under HTML attributes, we select the word class. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to call it page BG. All right, so page background, that stands for. Click OK, and you now see the word class appears beside the word body, and it's page BG. That now means if I have a bit of code in my style sheet, which is going to be here, that page body will be controlled by it. And that means we can set it as a different color or put an image in it, etc. Now, unfortunately, there's not a very good refresh with Composer, so you won't be able to see the changes live on the design mode. But if you do go to browse once you've done some work on your style sheet, which we'll do later on, you'll be able to see the changes updating. So that body has a class. I'm also then going to go to the table, like the main table, so the one directly beside body. That will be the whole table that everything's in. And I'm going to just double click on that actually. Just double click on the word table. Don't go to advanced for that one. And go to advanced edit. And again, we're going to have a class, and we're going to call it main table. Everything can be given a class. All right, just means the style sheet knows how to control it. Click OK. Composer glitches out at this point and it resets the table alignment to left. So just make sure it's center, because we want this table to be in the center of the page. Click apply. Okay, I'm going to do that with the robot parts page, just with one more page, and then I'm going to assume you know how to do it with all 5 of the pages. I'm not going to bore you with all of that stuff. So robot parts, again, right click on body and advanced properties, attribute, class, and we called it page BG. I wrote down what I was going to call it actually, so I'll do it here. Page BG and also main table. They all need the same class on each page, otherwise you won't be able to control all pages with the one class. So that's page BG. Click OK, and then again I'm going to go into the main table. There we go, and double click advanced edit, and the attribute is going to be the class that I change, and it's main table. It needs to be spelled identically on all pages like that. Okay. The quickest way to avoid having to do this page by page is just set it all up in your template, but I didn't want to teach you to do it that way because it just messes things up for you later on. Right, so I've done that. So we need essentially the main page body to be called page BG, the main table to be called main table. We do that on all of them. Okay, and that means then that those can be directly controlled by the style sheet, and whatever you do to the style sheet will affect all of those pages. So I'm going to do the same for the others, but I'm going to stop recording here because it's just watching me do the same thing again and again. You can just go back and play.